Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code Jiffy. You learn about joining threads. Okay, how to join. Learn about how to join threads in Java. Okay, so when we join a thread, it means that calling threads. Okay, so waits for the specified thread to finish its execution before continuing. Okay. So friends, this is useful when we want to ensure that certain tasks are completed in a specific order. Okay. So let's move to code example for that. So let's create one thread using class thread. Okay. Thread my thread. Okay. Sorry. Thread my thread equal to new thread. Let's use lambda expression here. Lambda expression having no parameters I am using here. So give semicolon first of all. Now create one for loop here. For int I equal to 1, where I is less than or equal to 5, increment I. Okay. Which will print count plus I. Okay. Fine friends. So what we have done here, we create a new thread using the thread class and provide a lambda expression to define the logic of the thread when the okay. So now let's take the one try and catch block here. Try catch. Okay. Catch interrupted, which will catch interrupted exception. So first of all, let's complete about try thread dot sleep to 1 second. Okay. Then catch it, catch the interrupted exception. INTERRUP interrupted exception E and call the method E dot print stack trace. Fine friends, give the semicolon, save the code. Now let's call the start method on instance my thread. Okay, friends. So I do hope that you understand till the line number 19. It's the same like our previous video. We have done the same code like our previous video. Okay. So now let's proceed. Now let's join the thread. So the main thread waits for my thread to finish. Okay. So let's take one more try and catch block here. My thread dot join, call the join method here. Okay. Use semicolon. Make key capital here. Save the code. And now take the catch block. Catch. Again interrupted exception. Okay. E. Call the print print stacks print stack trace method on stack print stack trace method on E. Fine, friends. Friends, now what happens here? Main thread continues only after my thread completes. Okay. So let's write code to print this message. Main thread continues after joining. Fine, friends. Okay, save the code. Now let's add one additional main thread logic here. Let's write code for that. Take one for loop here. For int I equal to 1, where I is less than or equal to 3, increment I. Okay, friends. Now print, which will print main thread plus I. Save the code. Fine, friends. So friends, we have completed our code here. Now let's revise each line in the code once again. Let's discuss what each line describes or what each line in this code is doing. Okay, so let's proceed. Sorry friends, we create a thread using the thread class. Okay, and provide a lambda expression to define the logic of the thread. We then start the thread using the start method. Okay, here. Then we added one thread is execution line logic. Inside the threads run method provided by the lambda expression. Okay, there is a loop that this is the loop that prints. This is the loop that prints counting numbers and pauses the thread for 1 second. Pauses the thread for 1 second in each iteration using the thread dot sleep method. Okay. Later on, the main thread invokes mythread.join, mythread.join to wait for the completion of my thread. Okay. If my thread is still executing, the main thread will be blocked until my thread finishes. Okay, friends. The try catch block is used to handle potential. This is try and catch block. Try and catch block is used to handle potential interrupted exception that may occur. Okay. Later on, after the my thread completes its execution, the main thread continues its execution, and this line will get printed. Okay. And following the join, the main thread executes. Now let's talk about this for loop. Following the join, the main thread executes additional logic, in this case printing counting numbers. Okay, which will ensure that the main thread waits for the my thread to finish before proceeding, demonstrating the concept of joining threads. Fine, friends. So friends, this is all about joining threads in Java. Now we have done with our code. Now it's time to run our code. Okay, so let's run our code, friends. So friends, here is our output to the console. Count 1 till the count 5, which is our for loop. And main thread continues after joining main thread 1, main thread 2, main thread 3, which this is the logic we have defined at the end. Okay. So friends, this is all about joining threads in Java, how to use join method in threads in Java. So please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel CodeGV. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding. Thank you once again.